So 2 dice numbered 1 through 6 are rolled. I want to know what is the probability that sum is 4. So the sum of the two numbers rolled is 4. We would take the number of successes and we would divide by the number of possible outcomes. So the number of successes, or let's first count the number of possible. Clearly, there are going to be 6 times 6 possible outcomes. The first dice, there are 6 ways. The second die, there are another 6 numbers that you can choose from, so 6 times 6. And for the successes, the first die, you can roll a 1. The second die, you can roll a 3. That's one way to get a sum of 4. You can also have the first die roll a 2, and the second die also roll a 2, which also has a sum of 4. Or you can have the first die roll a 3 and the second die roll a 1. And all of these are the 3 possibilities that you can get a sum of 4. So that's 3 possible ways. So you have 3 ways to kind of succeed, sort of. So you would do 3 divided by 36, which is going to be 1/12.